The AGRETO Drive-Over-Scale is a vehicle in motion scale, designed for weighing trucks and agricultural equipment. It weighs all vehicles automatically while driving over the platform. The gross vehicle weight is calculated from the sum of the axle loads and displayed on the large display. With a radio remote control, the driver can connect with the scale, transmitting the data of his vehicle. The light barrier system of the AGRETO Drive-Over-Scale determines tyre sizes, axle distances, direction of travel and driving speed. This means that both large tractor rear tyres or tandem and tridem axle combinations with any axle distances are weighed accurately and without errors. This weighing technology and the direction of travel recognition means the weighted quantities are measured fully automatically. You simply drive the vehicle over the scale. Load it in one direction, empty in the other direction. The software calculates the first weight from the second weight and records the net weight of the product. This gives the scale the data to provide quantity and documentation for the agricultural industry. The PC software controls the scale and automatically logs all weighing data. With a camera, images of the vehicles are stored for each weighing. The vehicles and other master data such as products, customers, suppliers or fields can be prepared and automatically or manually assigned to weighing. If necessary, customized weighing vouchers and evaluation lists are created. For the AGRETO Drive-Over-Scale, either a concrete pit foundation the size of the platform is built on site or a finished C-profile frame is embedded in the roadway. To ensure accuracy, the approach and departure to the scale must be level as possible to the length of the vehicles to be weighed. Design, develop and produce weighing technology from steel construction and electronics to the development of software, all made in Austria. Our trained staff and modern machinery guarantee highest precision and consistent quality at an excellent price to performance ratio. A 5-year guarantee on all AGRETO weighing equipment against faulty workmanship and parts, ensuring total satisfaction and peace of mind.